This is a continuation of my series on electrical power transformers. In this video, I will be delving into magnetism. You can find this topic in my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses in my stand store at this web address. Before proceeding though, I want to remind you of EcoFlow's sale that ends today at midnight. You will also find other discounts and price match guarantees as well as other benefits. Simply go to this web address that you see here. And this model of a magnetic field, as I said, has some direction. And in order to find out the direction of that magnetic field, we use what they call the right-hand rule. The field direction is identified by using our right hand and having our thumb point in the direction of the charged velocity. The fingers of the right hand will point in the direction of the magnetic loop that is formed by the movement of the electric charge. So just repeating that, if you put your right hand and wrap your fingers around the velocity direction of the charged particle and point your thumb in the direction of that velocity, your fingers will point in the direction of the magnetic field. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products, and it is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets.